All right, guys, welcome back to another one. So I got something a little different. This is going to be fun. Porsche experience. We're not driving Porsches today, but we're up here at the Porsche Center, so I'm going to show you some Porsches. But the fun part about this is they open up the parking lot and they do this Porsche experience, like cars and coffee meet. So this is my first time getting a chance to come up to do this. So I'm gonna run you guys through. What's cool about it is, like, over in that section, can you guys see? Yeah, over in that section is an actual track. So they, for a fee, whatever, they let you take some of the cars out. They let you do the skid pad. They have a little off-road section, of course, for the SUVs as part of that Porsche experience, which is really cool. So the other thing is we get to see some cool Porsches here. So I'm gonna flip you guys around. We're gonna walk the outer lot and then we'll go through and I'll show you guys some inner stuff. But yeah, they've got a little bit of everything. And it's not just Porsches today. So if you guys are like, oh, I don't want to watch Porsches, it's not just Porsches because it's a full cars and coffee event. But like GT3 RS, got a couple of those. Still got the window sticker on them, so we can show you what they're going for. Not bad. 350 and change on the GT3. So if you guys had your choice, would you go with the GT3 or would you do like GT2 RS? You guys know my choice. GT3 RS is definitely a beautiful driver's car, but that GT2 RS is it. Check out the little, I don't know what they call the top, but like the little, like, I call it a Miata top, and I know I'm gonna get flamed for it, but like a little Miata top. It's super cool. Nice and simple. Came out with the boys today, so we got the IS, we got the 370, got the EK out here today. How's it going? That was fun. We were talking about the EK for a little bit. Let me flip you guys back around. We'll get back to walking through. Of course, since we're at the Porsche experience, we're gonna have a bunch of Porsches. So you have I call it a rough edition. I don't know if you call it a rough. I don't know. You guys will get me in the comments on that one. One of those. Got another Porsche. No, I'm just kidding. Let's walk through and I'll show you guys the Porsches. Got one of the 32s, looks like it came by from State of Speed. They have a lot of classic Porsches highlighted all the way down the run. So I'll try and show you guys those too. But this is a fun little setup that Porsche puts on. I really like when companies do stuff like this. Because of course Porsche doesn't have to, they make enough money, or they could only open it to actual, Porsches to come in, but they open it up as a cars and coffee, and they allow everybody to come out. They serve breakfast, so it's pretty cool. Got a little GTI over here. Looks like, I want to say this is the R32 version. Looks like the R32. I wonder if it's an employee's car. It's always fun to see what the employees drive. I like they park the Porsches down where the Chargers are. But let me go through. I'll show you a couple more Porsches. We got some classics here. They parked them up the center. Nice little display. It's about like 45 minutes after the initial start. So we do have some that have already left, but there's still a bunch of good ones here. And if you're a Porsche fan by far, nice little Lambo. And then of course the classic Porsches are always great. We got to see a bunch of classic Porsches when we did the Period Correct, last week, the week before, when they held their event. And Period Correct always has a lot of good P cars and just some other random, just a bunch of good people come out for that. The Carrera, the two-tone, the green on yellow, bright on bright. It's pretty cool. I like this setup where they have them all kind of staggered. so you can just walk down and enjoy them. All classics so far.
So it's a Momo Monte Carlo.
Little 2.5. Little WRX STI. Looks good. So that's kind of what I was saying. They do kind of the full Cars and Coffee event, plus you get all the Porsche stuff. Let me see what else I can find around here. You got a cool little 34 four-door. Those are always fun. Nice and clean. I love the four-door. In a 34, if you're not going to get a GTR, the four doors are awesome. Got another 32 down there. Looks like we got a GS 300. A little spread out. So the other thing I noticed is a lot of people parked out on the road. So I don't know if there was just overflow at the very beginning or if they were restricting cars initially. I don't know. But like, if we look through, you got an NSX over there, STI, couple Porsches. There's another couple STIs. As we were pulling up, I saw a couple cars from the other meet we were at. So I don't know if they restricted it or if they just parked out on the street because they didn't want to get trapped in here. Not sure. But anyways, we're gonna run through. Let me see what other fun Porsches we've got, and then I'll take you guys inside. Let me walk you guys down this way. We've got a bunch of the classic Porsches all lined up again, so I'll show you guys that. Let's see what else we got out here. Got a big old Cayenne, like Overlander one over there, if you can see it over my shoulder. All right, let me flip you guys, because I got a couple more Porsches, and then I'm gonna take you guys into the actual Porsche experience and show you guys that. Little GR4 Corolla, that's always fun. You guys know I love this car. MRS, full APR wing. I can't see what motor he's got in it. Rocking two different TEs. But again, this is what I'm saying that I kind of like, is that, you know, it's not restricted to just the Porsches. You know, it is 100% Porsche themed, but it's not restricted to the Porsches. So I appreciate that. Got a bunch of 914s, it looks like, going down through the run here. I'll have to see next time they do another one of these if they switch the car up on the sidewalk, which I'm guessing they do. Let's see, we got them all down the line. Nice little race prep one. Sounds like we might have a little music going inside. Hey guys! So let me see if I can get you guys inside if we're gonna hit music, but we'll walk through inside and I'll show you guys what's going on there too.